Hello everyone, today we're addressing a common concern, how to get rid of man boobs. It's a topic that many men struggle with, and we're here to provide you with effective strategies to help you achieve a more confident and healthier chest. Let's dive in. Before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand that man boobs, also known as gynecomastia, can be caused by various factors, including hormonal imbalances. Regular exercise is key. Incorporate chest-focused exercises like push-ups, bench presses, and chest flies into your workout routine to build muscle and reduce the appearance of man boobs. Cardio workouts are essential for overall fat loss. Engage in activities like running, cycling, or swimming to burn calories and reduce body fat. Maintain a healthy diet. Focus on lean proteins, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting processed foods and sugary beverages to help shed excess body fat. In cases of hormonal imbalance, consult a healthcare professional. They can assess and provide guidance on treatments to address the issue. Consider chest compression garments, which can provide temporary cosmetic improvement by flattening the chest. For persistent or severe cases of gynecomastia, consult a plastic surgeon or specialist. They can discuss surgical options like liposuction or breast reduction. In conclusion, tackling man boobs involves a multifaceted approach, including exercise, diet, and potential medical solutions. Remember that everyone's body is different, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you find this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness insights. Be confident, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.